Good
Tomorrow, you
morning.
don't have work.
We're in the backyard again with the
Hi.
dogs. They loves to go outside every morning because they have to do the things they need to do.
Oh, I forgot to.
To clean what they needs to clean their body. So, you know what I mean. I'm looking for Shango this time.
What?
And there's Shango.
Oh, where they
And
go?
Lucy, I think she will go do the thing she needs to do. Remove the
You
dirty
go sunbathing?
on her body. The waste. The waste. What is that called? Malibang ba? Malibang. Ayan, butlang. Gayud. Malibang, mangihi. Ay, humana na siya. Karon mag-sunbathing na sila. Kainit naman yung panahon. Sunbath na si. Face gina sila sa sun. Kay ug dili, di na sunbathing. Dark bathing na na. Kanang ay sunbathing face gina sila sa sun. Mabuwag ko. Feeling kay niya. Anak gina si Lucy. Feeling kayo.
Chiko la chulay, no? Sunbathing
Feeling
ka?
ka loose.
Yes,
See,
sunbathing.
ang sanadya. Huh?
Lucy, go
Anak
sunbathing.
ginataba ching-ching na mo.
Oh,
Feeling
you have
gina siya
shower
basan bating na kay
Later, I shower tomorrow
tungod
or
manggod
Saturday.
sulod sa balay
Okay.
tugnaw. Nabi ang aircon.
Look.
Tugnaw ang
the
balay.
other one is really waiting for the squirrel.
Mugawas gina sila magsanbating kay ang isa gahulat sa squirrel nga munaog. Ambot lang gayon ni siyang hulat man gyud siya. Hulat yaday. Aw gani oh, nagulata.
Sean, what you looking in there, squirrel? Huh?
Nagulat nga ang
She's
squirrel
looking for a
munaog.
squirrel up there.
Wa man gyud squirrel munaog.
friend.
Ambot lang
But
gayon ni
then,
siyanggo.
If she catch it, her friend will die.
Puro na lang siya na.
Because she will.
Gahulata. Pero, gusto man niya.
They
Malipay
are
man siya na
rough.
squirrel. Kaya na yung
Rough.
patsyon lagi. Abig dulaan.
They're
Oh,
toy.
mau man na ang video. Salamat. Bubu.